Okay, everybody, this is Honey and Lightning's litter, born February 22nd of 2019. Again, this is Honey and Lightning's litter, born February 22nd, 2019. I'm just going to go in the order that they was born and what color that they're wearing on their neck. Number one is boy is blue. Number two, girl is orange. Number three, girl is yellow. Number four, girl is red. Number five, girl is green. Number six, girl is pink. Number seven, girl is white. Again, number one's blue. Number two's orange. Number three is yellow. Number four is red. Number five is green. Number six is pink. Number seven is white. At the time of this video, we still got two girls that are available. Number two that's got the orange, and number five that's got the green. The number again, available ones, the two girls, number two orange and number five green are available at the time of taking this video. And like always, they don't wear these ribbons or things on their neck. They're just put on so everybody knows which one's which. So as soon as we put it on, they're not used to wearing them. So they're usually kind of itching themselves and they think it's a game and pulling on each other. So they're getting to be almost a little over 5 weeks, almost 5.5 weeks old.
You get over it. Why everybody pick on you? You got that pretty one. footsteps.